Join for Education welcomes to all of you. Let us study about defects of vision and their correction. As per a standard of class 10, let us develop the class. Defects of vision. Sometimes the eye may gradually lose its power of accommodation. In such conditions, the person cannot see the objects distinctly and comfortably. The vision becomes blurred due to the refractive defects of the eye. Sometimes the eye may gradually lose its power of accommodation. In such condition, the person cannot see objects distinctly and comfortably. The vision becomes blurred due to the refractive defects of the eye. Let us develop the color. There are mainly three common refractive vision which are as follow. First one is myopia. It is also known as the short or nearsightedness. Second, hypermetropia. It is also known as the farsightedness. Last and third, presbyopia. Let us discuss about this figure. This is the near point, this is the far point, and this is the corrected lens. This lens is used to correct these defects of vision. The name of the defects of vision is short-sightedness or myopia. The reason of this defects of vision is elongation of the eyeball or excessiveness of the curvature of the eye lens. Let us develop the colors. Myopia. Myopia is also known as the near or short-sightedness. A person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly, but cannot see distant objects distinctly. A person with this defect has the far point nearer than the infinity. This is the far point. Far point is nearer than the infinity. Let us develop the class. Such a person may see clearly up to a distance of a few meters. In a myopic eye, the image of a distant object is formed in front of the retina. This is in front of the retina and not at the retina itself. So, this one is corrected by a concave lens of suitable power. This defect may arise due to, already I have discussed or said, elongation of the eyeball and excessive curvature of the eye lens. Elongation of the eyeball, excessive curvature of the eye lens. These two are the reason of the myopia. These defects can be corrected by using a concave lens of suitable power. A concave lens of suitable power will bring the image. This is the image. Will bring the image back onto the retina, and thus the defects is corrected. So it is very easy to understand. Anyone who is victim of myopia have problem to see the object located at the far point, whereas he or she has no problem to see the object located at the near point. This defects of vision is corrected by a concave lens of suitable power. In the next class or topic, we shall consider about hypermetropia or presbyopia. Hope that not a single body has problem to understand. If you have, then write into the comment box. I shall try to resolve your problem. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.